And I've just decided to do a new series on Nerf guns. So far we've got a pretty big collection. We've got a nice rapid strike here. Very awesome gun. We've got a demolisher.
Oh, we lost the piece. We lost the piece.
We've got a stockade. Just normal old stockade.
Okay.
First one that came out. Stockade Elite, extra range, always useful.
Wait,
We've
there's
got
a pack.
a strive, a rough cut, 2x4. What's this? I forgot what this is called. I don't know what this is called. It's dart tag low, awesome, amazing firing. We've got a zombie strike, side strike. We've got this awesome fire strike, which has got an extra laser at the front.
Can I see it, boy?
See if it's, look, there we go, it's working.
Let's see.
It's cool there, you got a laser. We've got an extra barrel extension. I think later on, when I get the chance to, I think we're going to be having a Nerf war.
I'm
And
using
if you
the
can,
demolisher.
comment down below what should be my primary and secondary gun combo.
And mine.
I forgot
Mine.
this here, just a holder for the side strike.
Guys, choose
My
what.
personal best, if I were just doing like dart, you know, just like a bit of a capture of the flag, and I'm just running for the kill, I'll use this dart tag one. If I was going in like a normal nice old Nerf war, rapid strike, or I go for the demolisher, and I would probably add one of these barrel extensions to it. For my secondary, I would just take one of these old pistols and then use them like that. I've been thinking of an idea maybe tomorrow or today of a Nerf war to do with, again, Tristan Christie. Go check him out. Yeah, I think he'll be posting a video as well on these Nerf guns.
Guys.
And thank you for watching. See you later. Peace.